I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Okay, so we're back in at Attleborough Auto Centre, where Andy is going to use his Frogget machine to fill the cab again full of smoke. That's going to smell really nice, but that's a side effect. What we're actually doing is seeing whether we fixed our leaks, our air leaks into the cab where moisture was getting in. I think I have, because since we've done that and I've fixed the rear boot seal, which was identified on the test, my windscreen hasn't been getting wet on the inside and it feels a lot drier in there. So fingers crossed. What we're going to do here is repeat that test and see if we've got the same leaks or in fact we have solved them all. So as you can see, the car's now full of our Frogget smoke, which smells lovely. As I said, that's a side effect if you've got a smelly car. But I'm now going to look for some leaks, see if I've got any. It was before pouring out of the boot lid. And it isn't now, which means the boot lid seal repair that I've done has fixed. I just fit a used one that I knew didn't have a problem, and that solved that. And like I say, that has in fact solved my windscreen being wet on the inside in the mornings, so I'm happy with that. Snoop Dogg, yeah, Snoop Dogg.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.